Hello, it's DragATag. Now I'm creating an object inside one of the 3D spaces. If I click distant object, I'll jump to it and explore its functionality or restore my previous position. I can switch spaces. They can be from any type, from advertisement to family tree or a game. For each space, I will definitely check the locations and visit them to see what's there. Another super easy thing inside DragATag is importing web content. Just drag and drop any images and videos you have and you can find the resources inside the files menu and use them to create your own smart objects. Just like this creature composed from words, which location you can share by pressing the share button and pasting the URL to whoever you want to see it. All these objects are created inside DragATag Studio for editing web content, where you can use any valid HTML and CSS to build your templates and use them to split inside more complicated templates or directly revive them to live HTML movies, which elements remains always clickable and interactable for the users. And each click can lead to another animation with another logic and options inside, and this way the objects are providing dynamic interactable applications, and they could be group of objects inside group of spaces depending on the purpose of the application.